Hey guys, Shaph Sassy here. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, hello, welcome to my world where I do beauty videos, vlogs, story time, and anything that is surrounding my life really. If you are part of the family, the Sassy family, hello, welcome back. And for the new ones, please subscribe because it's festive over here, okay? So you guys must have seen my review of The Social Host, so I'm doing this one. I think you guys would have loved the reviews, so I'm going to do the review on 876 Roommates. If you guys are unaware of that, 876 Roommates is a Jamaican reality series. Apparently it has a variety of influencers, Jamaican influencers, and they're just, excuse the mongrel, let me know the background please, because I don't know why them stuff just come right out when me a video, that video here, like when me a record. Oh my god. Okay, so yeah, so 876 Roommates is that we have the whole heap of influencer them night. The influencers that dress up as females and do, you know, skits on Instagram, TikTok, them kind of influencers, as well as the one them with, you know, get to work, the funny ones, the good ones. Let's see what it is. I will be kind of comparing it to The Social Host, so kind of look up for that as well. But it seems, I've heard from people that have watched it that it's very funny, very entertaining, and it's more entertaining than The Social Host. So let's see. I mean, I haven't decided that as yet, so I could see now, I could just start out and see what's popping. I like the drone shots. The drone shots are very similar to The Social Host. Okay.
A national call to action is made to all social media comedians to vie for a room in the 876 Roommates mansion. Here, they'll be given a chance to take their talent to a new platform while competing for $1 million. Dozens of hopeful prospects were received, but only 15 were selected. Now, these selected contestants will have to face off with their peers in physical and creative challenges, leaving only one winner to walk away with $1 million.
First of all, Mrs. them do have a makeup artist, and if them do have a makeup artist,
the anticipation is high and everyone is feeling great.
Just have great feelings. We just,
as you can see off the bat, the quality is not as good as The Social Host. Let's just get that out there, and that's okay. I think what they kind of want to go is like a more raw version. I don't know, I was just trying to pick up for them, but okay. All right.
the on the show itself. I'm gonna use the opportunity like this long time. It's a nice feeling to have a room that takes me to the room.
Amazing feeling, man. Yeah, I'm on some great talent.
Feel good like a hungry man that eats a food, isn't it?
It's a great feeling, comedians.
I love Valdemar. Love
him.
him.
On a platform where young, old, middle age, everybody can see stuff. I just work with it and make the best of the opportunity.
I was a bit fun opportunity like this. So once the 876 come out with this, I say it was a dream come true.
Few are super confident.
The only way they can win, unless they have a reading competition. And I can't read. Some rough man actually up on the team, but we're not fearing not one person on this.
We need to showcase the talent. So
That girl on her eyebrows, like I'm just.
every single
Let's see. I forget your
The
name.
major question
I forget your
we wanted an
eyebrows.
answer for was, what would they do after winning the $1 million?
If me win, as God live it, I give 100 or 200,000 to my fan base alone. Rest, mother, father, woman, my woman.
This is just man, some boat, lifestyles. Boat, big camera, everything, man. Me have mother, me have father.
$1 million can't wear all of that, but the dreams are very big. it's good. It's very good. Like, I just love that. I just.
The stage is set. Now we shall see who really has the comedic talent to take home the grand prize.
Here's number 6 Roomates. Welcome me. I'm not bring $1 million worth of clothes. You match me $1 million. You understand? And driver,
Why is it so loud?
because we just want match for $1 million. Hey, give me $1 million and we'll be here very, very soon.
876. Watch out now.
I know the Dino crazy guy.
Welcome to the 876.
I know no Lexi because of her eyebrows. I know Ari J. World dog. Love Voldemort. I don't know that girl there though.
I'm ready for your competition right now. No joke.
Today is the morning where all the contestants will make their way to Montego Bay for the start of the competition.
I don't like the audio.
Beautiful, beautiful.
It sounds like you record on an iPhone. Well, probably the iPhone audio would have been tough. The audio of the hosts. Maybe I'm a laptop. Oh well. No, I'm a laptop because everything that's so more professional over 876 faces. Yet everyone 876 faces. Whoa! Everything that sound much better over the other the social host.
Aspen loves to see. Big up yourself. It's a beautiful place. Heavenly place. I would be able to ever reach at the spot. Yeah!
All the Kingston residents met up from the night before at one of Aspen's luxury suite apartments in Red Hills.
Yeah, don't know. Birthday panel, isn't it?
I like that they got them in the morning just to see.
So the cooking is going good. Unfortunately, we had a miss, you know.
You know, I know that girl, but I know women know. I
Yeah,
wouldn't.
man, sure. One bottle.
I know her from the assistant.
The ear dirty
Simpla's Ultimate Travel arrives to take the contestants to where would be their new residence.
That bus is festive. Money spent on the bus, not on the makeup artist. That's that. Why do I spread back the bed?
No, you're not afraid of it. Come, when you're back there. I'll root me if I spread it there and people like, come on, Jesus Christ. Yo, we can't live, you know. You should eat, man. That's why we're friends of ours. Come on, man. You're that boy who's crying. Michael Jackson. Father, I'm like that reality. You're a good boy, you know. Yeah, I'm looking for you, good boy, man. Yeah, well, I should want my big stinker and rest. True, yeah, good. Yeah, good boy. I do it then. Come on, give me that cool brush, man. You look good. Brush, and one, please washing brush. Now I'm a toothbrush. Oh, yeah, I am father.
Fada. I'm learning some new stuff.
Love the sweet. We enjoy the stay.
Sponsored.
Roomates. Yo.
876 Roomates. We're forward.
The other contestants will be picked
Oh, we're
up
already
along the
there.
way, but not without a few hiccups.
Yeah, people, so we're there for the tour right now.
The Mama J guy, him look like the guy from Florida. Remember him? I can put his name right here. So him really look like him, but like, wow.
Getting up on the tour. Now the host and things, see me? But true, we never do link up. We're going to meet them on the tour right now.
On the
See?
tour?
So me live a Linz in St. Catherine, so it would have easier for them pick you up at Tour Road entrance. So that was the official plan where everybody in the Linz area are going to get pick up, right? Boom, we get a call. We dip on location, That's a yeah man with the wait man. The bus, so them pass and them not see, so we have to meet at Jackson.
We have it on the tour. We don't see.
So we're there on the tour right now, a big drive. So we're there a big drive, you see?
You want to come on adult? I want to take a pic.
While the bus awaits for their arrival, the contestants were greeted by some of their fans.
May I take your number for your princess?
Alright, princess.
Later, may I take 2 pics? Bye.
I love that.
Big up on the side. Yo,
Fuck your bad party, afternoon, man. Party, you know, man, you don't recognize me. I told you it's up, man, you don't recognize me, party. Yeah, we get the good turn in there.
Follow 876 Roomates.
Oh, them get a cool.
Hey,
Okay.
y'all need visas? Hey, y'all
Okay.
need visas? Hey,
Okay.
y'all need visas?
Let me, yeah, no man want visa right now.
I never flew. Oh!
Big up in my father, man, I just say,
Oh yeah. What's this extra is for? You're doing a lot of touching for Corona time, that's all I think.
we're at Old Serious right now, waiting on Bobby J and Washy. Because of and London.
We reach at Jackson now. Them say we come to one gas station, but them never be specific as to which gas station.
So they become a Jackson. Tell them the uncle and tell them become a Jackson. Uncle, I prefer them drop off here, man. And when they reach the point, they call.
The people, if you don't know Ochi, you're not going to know say you have to turn left or turn back again, so it's another frustration that for the
And them have them.
We're in a traffic,
Them
so
logo,
it
logo.
take long for reach. And then again, the car we are driving. Car like it even past 20. Car is a little bit of nah move.
We don't reach a big discovery today, you know? Next 2 hours drive, that's the uncle. Yeah.
Yeah, bleach your face, guy. You know him could look nicer though. Ah boy, you bleach up, but you have a little look.
Then probably YouTube.
Then the actor guy, yeah. I know him. Well, no, I mean I know of him.
Yeah, that's a big man thing. We can't bother with under someone else. That's not what I'm about this again. Now, what a taxi go at the Kingston.
Shut up, shut up.
Shut up your mouth, man.
We used to go to the same church, we're actually very like our.
No, it's like, yeah, it's exaggerating and it's kind of I mean, a minute for me is like about 3 to 4 hours. Yeah. I didn't know that exaggeration, that's not actually 4 hours.
Why was that thing in the mouth talking?
Like 10 hours. You understand?
I'm there a long time for you, man.
Why them don't call the people them? This is just so extra, like what? Oh my god. The drama starts, like kinda long out still, like what's like let's get to the point. I think this is all too extra, like what is the point of all of these? Because everybody wants to be on TV, so they'll put up with the foolishness.
After almost 2 hours of waiting, finally, the rest of the guys arrived.
Now go like when we reach, the type of energy we have got with the vex.
Then said due to the snow, the weather, and all of that, that's why this flight delayed.
That's a cheap flight, man.
I want to look and see face pan window and all of them things is a joy.
John, right free. Yeah, I know.
And then board the bus and to a destination.
With everyone now on board, The
I like Tabby
contestants are
too.
now en route to the 876 Roommates mansion. Uncertainty now looms ahead. They will now have to learn to live peacefully as roommates, fight competitively as challengers, and work in harmony.
What woman them there?
I thought upon the show, I don't really know if I expect it in. Because they have to enjoy myself. They have to support us. You understand that them really make me there.
Being an 876 roommates, I am expecting a lot of historic moments. Some great things, some things that have just happened, never yet seen before and never ever see it again.
Okay.
It's not about the millions, it's I'm thinking ahead. I want to reach more of my target market from young, middle, and old.
I love the boss.
I just want to have a nice name, a good outcome, a good impression. Like
This girl in her makeup.
Outside of winning the $1 million, mainly what I'm looking for, more deals coming in. So we want to go mainstream.
Shut up, Valdo. I think you're kind of mainstream, but it's still local. But
To win the show bus, when the show bus, every man on the show nice.
yeah, that's true.
With lots of joke, I know people are tuning in on it.
I like Valdo. And I believe two-face boy are nice. See him. The drone shots are nice.
Alright, so reach at the girls, so let's make sure be a girl and make sure food there, you know.
So we almost reached. You want one
Be a girl?
Expected and expected.
We just go hard and done. Non-stop, no break.
The quality is so bad, you can see.
Big Swiss. Yeah, man, big up 876. If they say I fix.
Wait, someone bring fat girl, that one there for girl there.
Beautiful fat skull. Girl up pretty door. Wow.
As you can see, all the roommates have arrived. They're excited. They're ready for the show. And we're ready to see who will walk away with the grand prize of $1 million.
You could put on one nice earring and one necklace, the host.
Welcome to the 876 Roommates Mansion. Welcome. Let's send them out of fun. Welcome to the 876 Roommates Mansion. Yes. Welcome to the 876 Roommates Mansion.
Why should I touch them?
Girl, them stand up at the front. A nice girl, tap her and say hello. And she said hello. I'm tap on next one. She said hi. She said hi.
I'm not touching none of them. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I want to put this on.
When I step off my bus, I'm going to look on the house and see it. I feel like they're royal public state.
First, the thing that hotel, what I said, the woman is like an alternative to the hotel. Boss, you said,
Yeah, go home now with a girl, my youth. And drive her another driveway, the dog have panty job right there, so the mansion nice.
Is that lemon?
I don't know. I would not.
Alright, pretty good. Alright. I'm gonna pretty. I feel like a celebrity. God knows my answer no why. Thank you. He said me even though $1 million, I'm living here as a store. I get served as a store.
Bro!
Store?
Bro! Just show they drink champagne.
Is it
A
champagne?
girl them there, so I give her champagne.
They're probably just
You
being
know,
extra.
the actual champagne are the thing. But we still have work with it as if a champagne on the footage, you understand?
We're living here a lot right now.
let's go.
Let's go.
I don't know. You said a showgirl or something, I couldn't do it because them mouth, them too close to me, fam. Like, me that itch. I'm having something in my hand so I can't itch. No?
I like the vibes on the paper.
And them loud.
Malacarada. Me refer to it as Malacarada. Big bad juice name.
Watch out, watch out.
I thought it was white wine or white champagne. But it was Shaph.
Shaph, can you imagine? In a champagne glass.
So at this
Well, not
time,
champagne,
just
wine
wait to
glass.
see how the food look. You understand? I when them a plan to give me some lobster and them thing there.
Oh my god. When people who go out to ask for lobster, you know, say I don't really have. It's a thing for them.
Standard English, we got to swans round ears. Players just bossy and just fully at jobs.
Everybody in a them vibe, everybody happy, everybody in a good mood.
Sorry to be
Yo, you have the NC in the car, come chase it. You stay so youth? Alright.
Yes,
friend.
Here, my boss, it's so hot. You jump off in that pool. You can be the one, babe, do.
Jesus.
Post now going to pool, you know. Believe me. Post.
Nice.
Yeah, them don't want a friend thing right now. Family this. Once you got a group of people in our house, it's a family, so you have to live like a family, move like a family, and think like a family.
So you stop.
Contestants, I can see you're all excited to be here, as this will be your home for the next
She's a pretty host.
So relax, enjoy yourselves, but stay focused.
She didn't need like a lip top up. I would have mad one.
The name of the game is $1 million. Now, well, thank you for joining us.
Warlock pop up surprise, cause never see Warlock in my life.
But it never did the bus with the weed. Like, I was so fretting. I like, when I'm Friday, I'm fretting.
There are a lot of big man in the house, but you know, so there's obviously a bigger man in the house, and that's me. That dog got really low.
For me, what me like you. I like you.
No, you just look like you want a man.
Thank you.
Love you, little.
I know y'all just got here and you are probably tired, but we must get ready for our first challenge.
So quick.
I don't mean to say.
Surprise, I read the say start right now. Because we never expect this.
Lando D. Major.
I'm going to find out, say, World Dog, our team leader, I was okay with that. I was so happy to do my challenge, but not everybody but tired.
Green Islanders are
Crazy,
Cuz,
I do. I just have
Way
it.
Straight, Hot Dog, and Ava Boss.
And them among some good talent, so start fret, blood pressure rise, sugar pressure rise, everything is a fret.
Now I need you guys to get ready for your first challenge, so go ahead and get changed.
I just reach out, I go outdo them contestants already, so I say, yo,
Love that, Valdo.
The challenges for today takes us to the Millbrooks Farm in Tango River, St. James. Millbrooks Farm was founded by Richard Wright to create sustainable employment through ecotourism, recreation, wellness, and future site for biotechnology with indigenous medicinal plants for alternative treatment.
what farm have to do with comedy, like? I feel I just some video thing where I come in, like, farm. What will I do for a farm? A comedy, that comedy thing this?
I thought they was gonna drive us to the farm, but then we are walk. There was a gully on the road long. I mean, it's like it's steep. It's like no car can't go down there. So while we are walk go down there, persons I feel like persons don't want to slide.
We walk. Yo, man, I tell you. Walk.
Welcome to his house.
No walking on.
Cause you're good? Okay, you're not hot. You know what, me sweater?
So I I'm telling her some long walk.
Yes, 76 room, you're retired!
At the farm challenge this, because if we are walking all now, we can't see the farm. Where we are go?
Tired. We are walk farm, we are way.
Them wickedy?
Yeah. It take a while before we reach the actual farm where the man say we are go.
She's very wicked.
I wanted to learn somewhere where I could go
Me no.
anywhere else in the world.
I mean, I agree with them. I tie them up before them go with them. I go like, what?
With the number one.
Maybe at the budget. Let's not go there.
Yo, when I see the farm, brother, I say, yo, holy palan this, you know. The man, they have him horse them over there. Oh, horse. The man have him pig them over there, so. The man have, yo, the farm, they decent, man.
First, never see a sheep in my life. I see it on TV all the time. So I said, no sir, you're so fancy.
Place they just look adventurous. When we see the stick them and everything set up and things, we start assume right away, say, oh, alright, we'll go right ass through this.
When me take a look and look in at me, I feel I be a pole man sitting at the ground, like some sticks up, like some flags on it. And then some me start thinking and I say, what them could actually want to do?
Contestants, welcome to Millbrook's Farm. To my right is the obstacle course for first challenge, where you'll be catching an oily pig.
I'm not gonna put my hand on no pig, you know.
I'm with you. I'm with you, bro.
At the farm challenge this, because if we are walking all now, we can't see the farm. Where we are go?
Yes, 76 room, you're retired!
That guy's so loud.
When me take a look and look in at me, I feel I be a poor man sitting at the ground, like some sticks something. And then some me start thinking and I say, what them could actually want to do?
Contestants, welcome to Millbrook's Farm. To my right is the obstacle course for first challenge.
If you say this up on YouTube, them have commercial break and I do previews like when I get the TV deal, just play the something and do, but I don't know previews. Like, let's go, come on, get with it.
Where you'll be catching an oily pig.
I wonder who come up with the challenge. Oily pig. How you catch oily pig?
When me oily pig, me rejoice.
Anyways, your girl went to get something to eat because she was hungry, so sue me.
Don't man not do them thing, yeah? We look in a yard and follow COVID protocols.
For this challenge, 4 of the 5 members of each team will be positioned at a post. The 5th team member will go into the pen to catch a pig. The pig will be handed over to each player, just like a relay.
Catching an oily pig, Jano. Me never know how many got that.
And the first team to cross the finish line wins.
Now I'm gonna put my hand on no pig, you know.
You will have 2 minutes to strategize, and then we will begin.
Upright right now. The fall from country, I say me. We gonna make them a town boy, yeah. Eh? Catch oily pig. With me in a which competition? Lick the head side on a bed side, man. And the team then the pan is a dead side, yeah.
You talk to a team Green Islanders. You see me I say? Right now we are catch some slippery pig people. So my teammate there. We are gonna do it different, show them say yo, our technique are some different things.
Afraid that pig, you know, you can't really work with me.
Okay, 30.
Me know me work off a strategy, you know. That them don't know, you know. I'm call the 2 man them, I'm call the 2 girl them, and we just drag them together and say, yo, make us strategize.
Yes, too.
No, yeah, 2. When we run out there, something there.
Alright, what if we start here and we go from last?
Suppose they jack. We not tell if we started, we want to know if it can last.
I never meet none of them contestants ever yet, so just joining in a group with them at the time, it kind of out of my box, because now I work alone.
Don't follow them and catch a pig. Foot, him have a slide. Grab the pig from him belly. Direct to belly.
It's slippery.
Who are gonna? You're gonna. Yeah, me going there. No, what gonna say? You're gonna pay. No, if you can control pain with this pig, what's the easy no matter what style this. We started it. Yeah, how we it. Swiftly edit.
So I'm to wear that with the name head back, name ears back.
Alright, so we second again.
So me and Lexi are the only female in there. So me say anywhere them put Lexi, I this on me.
Oh God, very desperate for me.
Yeah, catch you want.
Wow.
Just make sure you catch all the bump in there. Because the bump is a main thing. Watching it.
So when you first started?
And then try to back it up. Go in there.
Alright then, as the leader of Black Man Road, we are going to get some cartoon. So we just have more.
Chilla is a real tough man. Zane, like, Tom see him, you know say him rough. So I know say alright then, the country youth them can't come deal with him.
Warrior! Size up! Stop talk to it! Hello, don't talk to it!
First of all, we're not going to shoes. Country style, lone barefoot. We're not making stuff in the chat.
I can't walk barefoot to save my life.
So them lose already.
I really wear myself and I'm the only girl in my team, so we know so the man them can do them things. So all I'm afraid is grab the pig and come give it to me.
Say big catch! Right,
that's You know more than man.
Yo, we're going. We're ready, right? We're ready. We are going along there, so catch the pig. Catch your pig. Win.
What draft them pick up?
It was raining, so you know, so the floor is
slippery.
So a man would have to be careful when I run. You can't just run loose like that with a pig. Because if you run too loose, you know, say
you go
sink easy.
Yo, Swiftly! No boy can't pray away! Hey boy, when you grab a pig, some boy you wanna be! Yo!
We send Swiftly United, because he mostly look like a pig.
One, two, three.
Right now, I tell the people plan now work good. Because Swiss, we swear think him swift, but I know him laps.
You catch the pig. I say, yo, this is it.
We say the man take out the pig pen first. What is it, Jerry?
Bigger speed.
Exactly.
Jesus Oh, the pig said.
Man, the whole pig door.
You know, I'm a ton of daily now, man. Roll me run. Like a button me get.
Never be out with the pig.
Oh, the pig, I'm the pig. Hug him like I'm a baby, I'm run with the pig.
Yo, it's not easy. Yo.
You could never run in the pig.
Sprinter. But Jano, Magli dog and Magla come.
Exactly.
Valdo run far, come give me a pig. Dog tell me, say, hold on on the thing good enough, hold on on the thing. Dog, man been prepared.
No. King tell me, run, come up, and man, give me a look.
With a girl that I did, and she just grabbed the pig from me and then she run off go get Lexi the pig.
Come on, all the pig, oh God.
I'm gonna get cause the pig and cause I run my pig. I'm afraid I'm gonna say cause let go the pig.
Man, don't let it go up. Cause drop a pig and I tell me say I'm me telling you drop a pig. I'll be telling drop a pig and me I get the pig. That's why I make walk out.
Cause just dash with the pork.
Come on, pig! Don't pick up the pig! Oh my God!
I'm burn up some food. I end up getting a pig.
You see when me get my pig? And me look and see a second place winner. Hey! Nobody couldn't pass me.
When me see Lexi with the pig, me I say no man, a 4-man dey on our side. Lexi got in my country girl. And then when I see she slow down, me I say, yeah. Go there.
Yeah, but Lexi, don't slow down. Don't slow down.
When me know say me cross the finishing and nobody never pass me out, me glad.
So she just stop. Yeah, she just stop.
You know, come second with people, which was not bad. Come and go for that.
Could have put a pig.
Yes, now do a back. So over there right there. No, I'm better. Oh, stop. Yeah, I'm done. Go walk. What is? You done?
It's done, no? It's at the sound of a loser.
He make up the most noise out there. Does we? Yeah, so we say, yo, easy, no?
Continue, Gosman. Continue, Gosman. Where's that for? Them lose.
Same way.
You're not chat.
Nothing but first. We win for the first challenge. It just give we a boots, say we are win the rest of challenges. Them nobody now win.
Jesus Christ, me feel like a pig right now. A pig supposed to exhaust the amount of hug up and squeezing get. Oh, Jesus.
We have to lose for win still now, you see me? Our first loss. And our last loss.
No, but you know, we lost bad.
We lost bad.
You see me? As me say, you know, that I got me, as me say, me good.
But you know, I will have it because one guy
say if one man spoil the bunch, brother. That me I try to show man them, brother. When I work as a team, you can't talk like a team and move like a team. Dog, you know, give up. You know, matter. But you know, give up. No, enough to say nothing. No excuse no United. You run. Everybody do them thing, dog. Away. If as me say, if you make one man look, bad, the whole team look bad, brother. Right now, you can't in the house in a peace today. If you make back a talk in a place.
They might get teased like crazy. Surprise them drop the pig door. Try.
We said the man take out the pig pen first.
Now me I pass the pig, get a girl and she run off, go get Lexi the pig.
When we know say me cross the finishing and nobody never pass me out, me glad.
I feel fit this year, catching the pigs. The catch big champions them there, you understand? Yeah. We left the belt, you understand? But we're there. Yeah.
Contestants, you have just finished your first challenge. And the Black Maroons are successful, they're victorious. How do you feel?
You can't touch a pig.
Wow. Why the long faces? Why the long faces? Green Islanders, Sunshine Warriors, what's going on?
Sunshine, I got a wall with them. Warrior with him.
Okay.
Warrior!
We don't know who call us Sunshine Warrior, but we are not, we are the Warriors. Right?
Your next challenge is called Pluck the Chicken.
Jesus, please. Next animal challenge.
One by one, each member of a team will go into the coop and catch a chicken. The chicken must be taken to a slaughter who will be waiting to kill the chicken. Participants must then dip the chicken into hot water and take it to the plucking area to have the feathers taken off. The first team to finish this challenge wins.
From agricultural class 7th grade, me never pluck a chicken.
Me never sign up for pluck no chicken. This is definitely not no comedy. Right, this is some... We are registered for art.
Each person catch a chicken. Each person have to catch a chicken. So me I go first as the team leader. And go set the pace you have.
Set the pace. Can I have my faith in a killer, you know? Because killer...
Good leader.
To anything killer will and killer understand. But Valo and Tavi and RJ say, yo, we'll go do this now. I say, alright, me start.
Reputation and everything in that.
Yeah, we are winning. You can get chicken in. You got chicken in.
Yeah, man. What's the problem?
First thing first. All that money for my team for that chicken.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Good enough, Good. I'm still all limit. So I know me a decent man. I don't want what you are catching, hold him, bring him to the killer. The execute him, chop him up, put him in the water, give you are going to something there, you know. You are going to pluck him, you must catch him.
Yeah, kill him.
And now we are kill it in a year. The execution man will kill him and give him back. And bring it every time table, though. Every time table, brother. So now we are kill it. No. Our back of them win. So why I can hold my neck to a thing? No. Well, yeah.
You may pluck you. Or not
the
pluck.
man said, hold a chicken by his neck. No, the man really never just said that a while ago. No, the man didn't even say wing or foot. The man said by the neck. No, wait a minute.
You know if you pluck? Who know if you pluck chicken?
I don't know if you pluck.
Yeah, but me that.
Show me how to pluck. Oh, you pluck the chicken.
Yeah, show you. After it.
Yeah, make sure you do it then.
Tommy, what we gonna shoot?
Yeah.
What you doing?
Man, you two want for plug chicken. Cause me a town man, me never yet do them thing there.
No, we not win this. We not win this.
Take it straight from the hot water. Believe me. Tell him that then. See, after him do it, after him take it straight hot water. Hold it for a good look and carry it. If you eat, I eat and hold him by him full. I don't want to do that. Why you hold that for all uniform over kitchen? Simple thing.
Yeah, people catch it, never catch it.
So you mean catch a chicken then now?
You know that, brother, me not listen to the process, everything, brother. I never do this yet. I never do this yet. Process me.
Better hear me say that catch the better. You see when I win that one, better. Me not talk about the third. First better one. First better. You can't catch him. Looking at me and say you can't catch him. Bro, catch him, and they get please. If I win that one, and kill him, them come say third, and we win. I'll come first and second, and we get the prize that you want to get the first prize and take picture.
Take picture.
After the Oily Pig Challenge, Kimmy K. Rod was physically unable to participate in the Pluck the Chicken Challenge.
I'm not telling no lie, I couldn't go away because I'm really tired and hungry. And when we reach the house, we have to start challenge right away. And if I traveling, my stomach get upset because I'm not used to it. And I did feel some type of way, so I have to sit it out. So because I have to sit it out, some other people have to sit out it.
To make the challenge fair and balanced, one member each from the remaining team
must
start this challenge.
When them say somebody has to go jump for you to call, we mash up the other team, you know.
We did that. We did that.
Alright, yeah.
A country people.
Yeah, keep the country people. Town people them can.
Alright, King Tabby, here we go now. You have to sit out with your hand. Your hand kind of damage. My hand set away, so I just sit out. Understand?
I'm glad.
Nanny, Black Maroon, Nanny. Alright, so Tabby, you go, right?
I did really and truly just have to just ease myself and just make the countryman them lead the way.
Yeah, me a coach thing. Me a sit down and chill, you know.
He's supposed to glad can make them lose.
Yo, cause you drop a pig, and when them start them vote you out. For me, sit out who win. You know that?
Cause it's gimmicks. You understand? Cause whole meds, but you know really whole meds all the time, so exclude him and him did happy.
Yeah, we lose 3 feet and we need to worry. You understand? I understand. You understand? We're born for this. It's like how we work at KFC. You understand? And we season the chicken and give them. No. They talk about keep lucky chicken. We not do that. We kill chicken. Thank you. Bye. Team Warrior! Warrior! Team Warrior! Warrior!
What kind of warrior that did so?
Warrior! Thank you.
1, 2, 3.
Lucky chicken!
Extra. He's so extra.
See that the things that the man say, yo, tone down the knives. But man never know say I count the man account. The one should have turned on. Stop with the knives and stop with the knives. You say, rip at him. Jesus.
Oh no, I'm not fine, nobody start flying.
Wow. I said, wow.
Never lose skin, Achilla. Should I run, go take up the chicken and run out back quick?
Yeah, got you, my country friend them.
God, I'm just...
Lexi the best. Make an attempt to take up the foul. So, have the bounce Lexi out the way.
One time when I'm like, I ever pick a chicken.
I saw me plug chicken. And that me zip on you with you.
Say you never voice on thing I did I look.
And then me run going there, me I try to grab a chicken they run up and down.
Can't see nothing. Production. Too dark.
Everyone had chicken them fly with friends.
Valdo, one question more ask. If you make the chicken fly well if you.
Who we catch chicken what I do? How me I catch him?
Remember I run on my chicken never turn up one place nice and say come get me.
If you got a chicken, put it on your group table. It's ready, chef,
Oh, so. Oh, it's one person supposed. Oh. I thought it was one chicken per group.
When me say them a plucky chicken,
so everybody go for chicken.
Me just have to give them kudos.
It don't make sense to me.
You tell us that the only man that me and killer.
So my man them they are trim the chicken, brother. I don't know when since them turn chicken baba.
When me come out now, me I look upon everybody. I run up and down, I run back and forth there, so who I run got a pot.
I'll chill it up.
Just touch back on the tube and see what that look again. See if them are do the right thing.
After a long day, we the back at the girl shop.
Barbershop! Turn on the music!
So dark.
So we as comedian, you know, so we're not going to do stress, we're not going to bother. So we go say, alright, we're going to be that vibe.
No, the freestyle I just make up some.
No, I don't freestyle. So my partner was when we are DJ.
Killing time, me gun shine on me, not gonna first it at next.
DJ was a freestyle, world dog and volume money all the way. I mean, I tell you, say, we just a freestyle and a be a vibe.
Run with the beat. Run with the beat. See like me like him just run with the beat. Run with the beat. Run with the beat. Run with the beat.
Run with the beat.
Cause man, him drop the bigger gun and run and make everybody laugh off away. Yeah? I tell you that. You sure you see?
Allah.
Him need last cup.
Start sing about what go on in the day and me go remember about the chicken.
Alright, let me tell you something. Why me not play no chicken?
Yeah.
You wanna know why? Why? We come from a country, though. We see Paul Park. You make you understand, so me love it. Cause we can't block the chicken, you know.
Them can't block the chicken in yeah, no.
Me miss your bad. Me heart a bleed.
Oh my God.
Me miss your bad.
Hot girl them.
When I look in my window, I miss your bad. You call your phone, I miss your bad.
Oh my God.
Nobody could bribe you, not even Big J. If a country piece of cake, you let me cut up the steak. She said, hold on, just wait. Right up to the crib.
Hey, don't let it cut the cake. Because I want to break the cake. Come in my house and sleep and wake. Cook some chicken, bacon steak.
I tell you, I tell you, I go on secrets. I don't never know, but me I tell you no. Everybody in the house trap and lick me when they're my baby. They're sick.
Go first. Alright, go on. Hey, Rhino. I mean, Dino.
Well, the clash did hot, you know. The clash did hot.
Yeah. Money I bring.
Money I bring.
Look up on the tone bus, forget a sound bus. Cause my lyrics them sick and them sound tough. Me have ambition, me is no gruff. Them try turn me down, but I'm grown up.
Vibes right, host nice, people spirit good.
Right, we're gonna go upstairs and just drop the lizard and like one fake lizard, but then good little real lizard. So that's what I'm going to see. So yo, we'll go up in there, just show it. I say, yo, Dino.
Find out, say alright. And I really how them people I look, if I get to know them, the energy them actually more while it connect.
Yeah, you can't really judge a book.
From this we're cool and we hope it continue to stay cool with you and everybody.
I feel enjoy myself. I don't let nobody make me get sad and nobody let me get happy. I control my mood. And when you control your mood, I think that is the best thing.
People, may I tell you, if this is anything to go by, may I tell you the 2 weeks, they're not gonna harm. They're not gonna harm.
I guess I was hoping to laugh more, but I guess both shows really are about just like the challenges and getting to win the $1 million. Pretty much that's what I see is the aim. And yeah, it was okay. I mean, both of them was, I mean, I definitely laughed more with 876 Roommates. But yeah, pretty much overall it was a good production, like with the plan and everything. I don't know why the judges were not there to see what was going on, but it looked pretty confusing because as far as I am concerned, I was thinking that obviously they're in teams because one person is supposed to take the chicken, try to get the chicken. The next person is supposed to, like, they're supposed to be doing it in stages, like with people, with different team members. So I don't understand. How is it that each of them end up going to pluck a pig, pluck a chicken? That's my review. That's my reaction to it. I mean, I was hoping to laugh a little more. That word dog guy is really loud, but I guess that's just his nature and that's just his thing. And for me, the Tabby guy, he took it like he was the funniest. That's what I've been hearing, and it is the truth. Tabby and my other Ras guy, when I tell you something like, I remember Valdo, yeah, love them too. But yeah, guys, that is it. That's my thoughts. Those are my thoughts on the 876 Roommates episode 1. If you guys like videos like this and would want to see more, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a whole friend. And I will see you in my next video. You didn't have to, but you did, and I'm grateful. I'll see you in my next video.